Today, BSE share price surged approximately 17%, which is driven by two key developments. One is SEBI's proposal on derivatives expiry and NSE's deferral on expiry days change. So, what is SEBI's proposal on derivatives expiry days? The Security Exchange Board of India released a consultation paper proposing that all equity derivatives contracts across exchanges have uniform expiry days limited to either Tuesday or Thursday. This move is seen as beneficial for BSE as it allows the exchange to retain its Tuesday expiry schedule, potentially preventing market share loss to the competitors like NSE. NSE has deferred its plan to shift the weekly derivatives expiry from Thursday to Monday. This decision is perceived positively for BSE as it maintains the current competitive balance between the exchanges. Additionally, BSE has announced a board meeting scheduled for 30th March to consider the issuance of bonus shares. So it is further boosting investors' confidence. Now, as I have been saying that the charts always speak for itself. If everything is hidden in the chart, so if we check the BSE chart, so there is continuous move up and then it is down to a lower level of 3682. So this is a weekly chart. So now I will tell you was the move expected through charts. So let us dive in the chart. So if you see, this is a weekly uh, support zone where BSE was trading in on 10th March 25. So this week, the week next of 17th March 25, and the today's week. So if you see, it has not broken the lower level of 3567.65 in the last three weekly trading sessions. So this range of this weekly support zone has triggered the buying. Also, it is triggered by the news which has come for BSC and the bonus share issue. So now we will go into daily chart. As you can see, the BSC was in a constant upward zone. Then it had a fall, and now it is again rising up. So as you can see, the volumes the volumes are also increasing, and the prices are also increasing. So there is more and more buying coming in BSE. Also, if you see, today's opening is above the level of 4995. That is the upper range of the weekly support zone. So this is what is I was saying that the chart speaks itself, and you can see in the chart that this support zone has a good resistance. It will not break, and BSE has surged up. So now coming to our regular Nifty. Nifty today again had uh, it opened gap down, but again it filled the gap, and it got its support from this blue zone, which is a runaway gap, as I have been saying. So unless Nifty breaks this level of 223,350.40, we will not see much selling, though there is a resistance from the weekly supply zone. But let's wait for it to break 23,350 before we initiate our short positions. The Bank Nifty, on the other hand, was a very flat doji move today, and it is again trading in the weekly supply zone. So let's see what will happen the next Monday. So what are comments on the BSE move, and what are your uh, what are what are your levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty? Please mention in the comments. Also, do like, share, subscribe, and comment on my channel, which motivates me to make more videos and give more insights about the stocks which are, or the Nifty, which are on the very surge or very downfall. Thank you so much.